Feeling shy. Feeling shy. Excited about our trip. Excited about our trip. Planting flower is fun. Planting flower is fun. We are watching movie on TV. We are watching movie on TV. Clean your room. Clean your room. Look at the rainbow. Look at the rainbow. I want to learn swim. I want to learn swim. Popcorn is yummy. Popcorn is yummy. Build a fort with me. Build a fort with me. Feeling hungry again. Feeling hungry again. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Visit grandma and grandpa. Visit grandma and grandpa. Friends are fun. Friends are fun. Feeling tired now. Feeling tired now. I love art class. I love art class. Time to put on shoes. Time to put on shoes. Ice cream for dessert. Ice cream for dessert. Halloween is spooky. Halloween is spooky. Kittens are adorable. Kittens are adorable. I wonder why. I wonder why.